Welcome back. My wife died as doctors were busy celebrating their colleague's birthday at the GMC. This is a clear charge by Antonio Furtado, who lost his wife at the GMC after delivering twins. He says she died due to negligence of doctors and staff at the GMC. Antonio also blamed the private nursing hospital which referred his wife to GMC at the last moment. He wants justice.
Antonio Furtado, husband of late Sharon Furtado, lost his wife in February. He says that she died due to negligence by the GMC doctors. He explained the sad day of his life.
Delivery is around 2.5 hours. And after 2.5 hours, by and then the doctor birthday celebrate and delivery result after 2 hours and 10 seconds by that my daughter daughter na hin my con sudun alan sign birthday and busy and
he has also blamed the private nursing clinic which referred his wife last moment to the GMC.
Hospital treatment first time abortion baby girl and then reason suddenly I'm informed out of station doctor and charo tech treat doctor check and check countless and suddenly evening delivery and
social activist Raisin Almeida has demanded justice for Antonio Furtado and his family.
Now, ito donni private hospital Ponda and GMC dogaini negligence kelmun he mela and we are asking for justice. Ki normally ata medical officer and sogli protect korpa sutte.
Sharon is lived by her twin sons. A reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Hosts Cuncolim Union and R.C.F. Mumbai have suffered second consecutive defeat and have no chance of moving into the semi-final of All India Volleyball. O.N.G.C thrashed Cuncolim Union 25-10, 25-17, 25-17 on the second day of the floodlit tournament at Cuncolim. This match was followed by B.P.C.L's victory over R.C.F. Mumbai. O.N.G.C and B.P.C.L have entered the semi-finals.
From Maharashtra.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.